Hiya. Here is our Jessica Fridrich method of doing the first 2/3 of the cube. I've explained doing the star, which is probably as easy as it gets. I will just put this into a star position. It's going to be a green star here on the top. It's an easy method. It's the start of doing the Rubik cube in any way really. You have to start with the cross. So I'll quickly put that green cross in. I've explained how to do this before, and I'll just do it now quickly whilst you're watching, if you like. It's kid stuff. Put that down to the red. Got it white. Green on the side there, so that's got to come up. So flip it to the bottom. The orange and up and in, and the yellow. We now have our cross, simple as that. Right, Jessica Fridrich method. Quite simple. What we're doing is we put our cross here. It appears it's on the top, but actually it's actually on the bottom. That's how we do the rest of the cube. The star stays, or the cross stays on the bottom. And these pieces here, 1, 2, there's a cross on the bottom. These pieces are put in twos. So it's about matching them up at the top, putting them in twos. The clever part about this method is that instead of putting them in singly, like say this corner piece down to the star, which you can put in singly, as simple as that, which is in. That one there, which I've put in. And then you put the next one in, and the next one in, and the next one in. Then you put these 4 middles in. But what the Jessica Fridrich method does, it puts these 4 middle ones in at the same time as putting these 4 corner ones in. That eliminates any chance of them being in the middle but in the wrong places. So you don't have to take them out again and put them back, which takes time. So this is what makes the Fridrich method quite quick to do 2/3 of the cube. So I put a piece in singly into the bottom. If I want to put this piece in as well, I've then got to find it somewhere on the top, which is here. On the top here. It's got to go here, like that. So I'll put that in. what I've done, I've put another piece in. What I've done is I've put these pieces in separately. Now the Fridrich method is to put these pieces in together, which would obviously be quicker once you go to speed up. So what I'll do is I'll put this corner in singly, this corner. So I'll find the corner, which is here. Corner in. I'm going to put in singly the next bit. That's that piece in singly. That leaves just one more piece to go in singly here. Remember, I'm only showing you the single method way. I'm going to show you next the double method way. So that's the piece that goes there. Up. So you've now got 2/3 of the cube done. Oh, sorry, there's a corner piece missing on that. Right, that's in. There's a lot of work involved putting pieces in singly. I'm going to now do a quick mix up. And I'm going to show you the Fridrich method. So let's get a star. Right, there's our star put in, like so. Back to the star method, that's all in. And now, we'll put these parts in, like I said, not singly, but in twos. So we flip it upside down and we keep the cube this way up. We look for our pairs matching on the top. So let's look at, I can already see a matching two matching, that's that one and that one on our new top, those two. They've got to be paired up, which is simple, see? That's already lined up there. So all I have to do is a simple line pair up. I'll show you it going in. Flip and up. Goes in twos. That's gone in twos, not ones. So you could see you could half the time you're doing it in. Go look on our top again and let's have a look what we got. Got a green and red here. And it's matching ones there. So that's our top, remember? Star is now going to always stay on the bottom. So first thing I'll do, get these in position. Right, we're on the top. We're going to now put our, there's our red and our white. Red and our white. Got my two pieces here, these two pieces that need to go here on the top. I'm going to match them up and put them in. Matched them there. And in they go. There. So now we've got one corner done. Got the other corner done. That leaves two other corners, so we'll go to our top again, see what corners, see what we've got. You see a matching pair here. get them in position. Right, they're in position to be matched and put in. Matched and put in. Red and yellow. That one's in. So you've got 3 in now. That leaves just this corner left to do. Do it exactly the same way. This is called the Fridrich method. Match them up on top. There's one of them. There's the other one. One of them's in the side, so that's going to go up to the top. Simply like that. Down. Get them in position. Should be like so. They're on top, in position, ready to be matched and put in. That's it. In 2 by 2, not 1 by 1. The Fridrich method. And then I'll just finish the top off, which isn't the Fridrich method, but it's the only way I know. Done. Thanks for watching.